This is an overview of InfoStrat Grants Manager Plus. We're going to take a look at some key concepts involved in grant management and how Grants Manager Plus automates the grant process throughout all the stages of the grant lifecycle. InfoStrat is a Microsoft Gold partner and has been building solutions for public sector customers for almost 33 years. We developed Grants Manager Plus to help grantor organizations streamline their grant processes. We've been building grant management solutions for public sector since the late 1990s. We also developed Stimulus 360 for Microsoft. The solution is based on Microsoft Dynamics 365. InfoStrat maintains the solution for each version of Dynamics 365, introducing new features according to our product roadmap. The goal of Grants Manager Plus is to capture the entire grant lifecycle, starting with establishing funding sources, accepting applications online, review, scoring, award, post-award reporting, all the way to closeout of the grant. Grants Manager Plus provides a user interface for grantees to interact with the system, as well as an internal user interface for the grantor organization to track the grant and generate reports. Because it's based on Microsoft Dynamics 365, Grants Manager Plus offers a rich security environment integrated with Office 365 and Active Directory. It has built-in auditing tools, including data audits to track all changes that are made to the data. It supports reporting, dashboards, graphs, and even powerful visualizations based on Power BI from Microsoft. It also provides multi-platform use for browsers, mobile devices, including smartphones. Grants Manager Plus is available on the Microsoft Government Cloud. This provides the latest security accreditations and a full spectrum of controls that are expected by government agencies. We've built integration points into Grants Manager Plus for your financial management system. At the same time, this template is extensible, which allows you to add in your own custom fields, entities, reports, dashboards, queries, and business workflows. This graphical depiction of the logical flow of Grants Manager Plus shows two types of grants, one on the left and one on the right. The simplified track allows you to monitor direct grants from the grantor to the grantee through an individual application. On the left side of the graph, we see a more complex data model for block grants, which includes subrecipients. That means that a grant is awarded to a subrecipient who then, in turn, issues grants to agencies or individuals who perform activities under the contract established by that subrecipient application. For both types of grants, we monitor budget milestones, key performance metrics, payment requests, invoices, and we issue reminders to these grantees to provide the requisite reporting under their grant program. The Grants Manager Plus data model supports different data elements for different grant types, such as contracts, loans, in-kind grants. It allows you to set up business rules that are appropriate for each grant program, but maintain a single consolidated view of all your grants. You can set up projects that span multiple grants, and each grant program can have multiple payment sources that provide budget for those grant activities. Grant review and scoring can be simple or complex depending on your business requirements. The questionnaires that are used by grant applicants and also for scoring grant applications are configurable. They do not require you to add new fields to the solution. The way that we interact with grantees is through an online application in the grants portal. We're using Microsoft Dynamics portal, which is included in subscriptions to Microsoft Dynamics. It's menu-driven, it adapts to multiple browsers and devices, and it includes support for file attachments on Azure and also SharePoint. The portal is used for our interactions with the grantees, including their applications, their payment requests, and their post-award reports.